have to feed 1,000. Oh, no, it's too painful to say. No. This entire series, almost this entire series, I've been going through something that makes me rage and be swarm. Oh my goodness, I'm just gonna go get in a create pass quickly. Here we go. Okay. I have the Porta Hive, but that doesn't matter. So yeah. It's that quest right there. The one with the red space that says feed 1,000 treats to your bees. And I don't even like my bees anymore because of freaking Mother Bear. Mother Bear sucks. Because she's just gonna give me a star jelly and a star tree. And I literally was absolutely raging to finish only getting 500 treats to my bees. My brain was like oofing. My brain was absolutely finished right there. Oh my god. So I guess I'm gonna be doing quests just like last time, and well, yeah, trying to get honey from completing quests, I guess. Okay, finally. Every night, every 20 minutes, okay. Let's see if I can get a Rosefield booster. What did I get? I got a Strawberry Field booster, not what I was looking for. Wait. There. 24. Oh, I need 50 strawberries. Let me go use the strawberry dispenser because there is one actually. So, strawberry dispenser. Okay, now how much? 44. Okay, I only need a few more strawberries. Perfect. Okay, let's go to the rose field. The mushroom field. Doesn't matter which field we go to. All that matters is, yeah. I'm gonna get a star tree. Then I need a gifted line bee. Yeah. I will give that star treat to my gifted lion bee. I just need 5 more strawberries. That's all I ask for. 5 more strawberries. No! What was that? I saw that in the last video. What was that thing? What is that? The thing where it's just a giant light beam that goes right into midair. What is that? I don't know. Hey, now they're dropping gumdrops. Let's go. Okay, to the next red field with Lee. Do I even have another red field besides the mushroom field and the strawberry field and the rose field? No. Wait. To the red cannon. I need more royal jellies, by the way, so I'm just gonna stop. So I'm just gonna take a little stop over here. Secret area, and then okay. Now we just need to go back to the red cannon. Okay, let's just get a random field booster. Cloverfield. Oh, I actually needed that booster. Brown Bear's Quest. Where's high altitude? Yeah, see right there. I need to go make some honey, and yeah. So let's go back to the hive, and yep. Okay, we back. Just gotta make some honey. Make the honey, 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 make the money, make the honey, make the honey. There. Okay, to the clover field. The most annoying field of all. I need more strawberries, so I don't care. I don't care. Where are my strawberries? Why are you running? I said, why are you running? Help me. Yes, strawberry. I got 2 more strawberries. Just need one singular more strawberry. last strawberry. Give me a last strawberry. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Finally. Where is it? Right here, right here, right here. Yes! Okay, okay, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You gotta come up here. Go over here. Then gotta go down to here. And then, yes, red guard, adorable. Hey, yep. Yes. Okay, now that I have a red guard and I have 25 more, you know, pollen holding. That gave me more than 25 pollen for storage, but who cares? Now let's go to the clover field. I don't know what sound I just made. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, gotta go up here. Gotta go up in the clover field. My arm really do be itchy. Helps. You know what? I'm just gonna summon in a freaking honey storm. Who cares? Ah, yes, my honey storm. The honey storm. My vocal cords are soon gonna break, bruh. My vocal cords soon be broken. Again, I'm in the porch and it's super laggy because I don't have very good internet down here. So yeah, don't blame me for it. Okay, this quest is gonna be done soon. Don't worry, boys. I only need 200,000 more pollen. So yeah. Alright, sprinkler put entered and here we go. No. Wait. Oh well, look. Clover badge, cadet. This just needs 100,000 more pollen. Come on. Yes. No. Stay under the rain. No. Stay under the rain. No. Yeah. No. Keep me under. Yeah. No. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No. I have no idea what I'm even saying. 10,000 more. Almost there. Yes. Now I can go back and now I can go over and talk to Black Bear and smack him in the face because he made me go through all that trouble. Get over here. Yeah, I don't care what you say. Just give me everything. Yes. I need a ticket. Wait a minute. Okay, I have 20 tickets. I need 30 more, and then I can purchase a golden egg. See, in the ticket shop right here. And then, yeah, right here, gold egg, 50 tickets. Because, yeah. Okay. 0.1% mythic. Yeah. Gold egg always hatches into an epic or legendary or mythic. 1% mythic, 20%. Okay. Always hatches into a legendary or mythic being 95. Oh wow. Always hatches into a gifted bee don't already own. Excludes event bees. Limit 5 per player. Mythic bee egg always hatches into a random mythic bee. Ticket used to activate and purchase. The night bell summons nighttime. Double speed pound. Okay, well, I'm running out of time. Sorry about this, guys. You know what, guys? I'm running out of time, but, we'll be able to do this in under, 5 minutes or so. So, yeah. You can, hopefully do this, and hopefully I'm not getting your guys losing interest. So, it's raining outside. It's actually raining. It's still mid-spring. Yeah, definitely raining a lot. It's still mid-spring. So, yeah. Bruh. Nope. Bye-bye. I'm seeing Naveed. I don't care about your notifications no more. Because you suck. Okay. Right, that plant the sprinkler right there. Okay, now that should plant this. Okay, yeah. Okay. We will pop the sprout. No. Oof. That hurt my ears. Okay guys, I'm running out of time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe because that would be greatly appreciated. And I want to hit the sub goal 100. Shout out to OC subscribing. Thank you. And yeah. that'll be the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed, and goodbye!